everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm back with the monthly reads. This is going to be for the month of December 2020 and this reading is going to be for the sign of Leo. I've already pulled out the cards to save the time. I will be adding charms as you proceed with the reading and I have pulled out oracle cards and the tarot as well. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Before I do that, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's find out what is heading towards the Leo people for the month of December 2020. Let's start with the tarot first and then we're going to read the oracle cards. Queen of Pentacles, Pair of Wands, Two of Wands, and Knight of Wands. Wow. You guys are just rocking your life right now in the month of December. I feel like you are entering into the month of December feeling so powerful, feeling so stable in your own in your own way. I feel like it's like you are feeling empowered in one way or the other. And I do see you very successful when it comes to your work and career. It's like something has happened recently which has added a lot of confidence in your way of being. Maybe you have worked towards it, maybe you have earned it, maybe you have gotten that by luck or something, but yes, you are feeling very confident, you are feeling very happy, content with whatever that you are doing in your life right now. And somehow I feel like maybe you have worked towards your independence, you have worked towards your to boost your confidence, to upgrade your lifestyle in one way or the other, which has definitely added a lot of empowerment in your life, in your way of living as well. I do see you 100% prepared for the things that you want to pursue now. You are, in that kind of confident state of being where you know that whatever you want, you can have it. Um, be that in love, work, or home life situation, you are just rocking it. With the two fonts here, it seems like you hunted someone or something that you were keeping your eye for so long. You have hunted that one thing. um if you were waiting for a specific someone, I feel like they are all yours now. Maybe that is something which added confidence to you. If you were trying to manifest a person back, them coming in your life is going to boost your confidence. Plus you now know that when you can have them, you can have anything and everything in your life. So maybe if you recently got yourself on the journey of manifestation, I feel like you have finally achieved something big that you set to yourself to achieve, and it has added immense amount of confidence in you. And now you are looking forward to set another goal for yourself, so you could achieve that goal as well. And that's how you're gonna go about it. For some of you, you might have achieved your work and career goal, and now you're setting your eyes on another goal which could be related to your love life as well, or a specific someone as well. But definitely you have achieved one of your goal which has boosted your confidence for sure. Maybe for some of you, you really wanted to manifest something in your life, and it's like you tried off the manifesting something which is of not so much importance to you, but since you got that, now you're confident to manifest the person in your life as well. So that could be the case for some of you as well, but definitely you are going to rock it. You are definitely going to get it, because I feel like you have a lot of passion towards whatever it is that you're setting yourself to achieve, to receive, to reach. And I do see you powerful, extremely powerful in the month of December. Whatever you want to do, you can easily have it. Let's take clarifiers for all these cards here first, and then we're going to tap into the oracle cards, and at the end, the charms. Let's see. Leos. You are financially very independent, stable, happy, for sure. Again, like maybe now you're gonna set your eyes on a love life department to achieve something there. You are passionate to start a new beginning with a specific someone. You are looking forward to that new beginning with a specific someone after having your work or career goal achieved. Let's see. It can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with as well, so just be mindful of that, because these are general reads. So we do have 3 cards. Four of Wands, Six of Cups, Ten of Swords, and I feel like I do see you walking towards or having your love life as your new goal, because you recently transformed or understood, got the awareness around a connection that you have with a specific someone. Now you know that this person is your soulmate and you really want to pursue that one person. Now after getting your career goal achieved, now you're working towards your relationship goal, which is something that you are so sure about. I feel like this person is already somebody that you have in your life, and you are going to either go back to their life, or you are going to manifest them back in your life. So pick how it is resonating with you in your situation. I feel like maybe earlier you were giving your time and energy to your work and career only, and now you're diverting that attention to, since you achieved whatever it was that you were trying to achieve, now your focus is your love life. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Goddess, honor your divine feminine energy, see your inner beauty, love every part of you. I feel like, it's again, you're feeling confident, and it can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with. So I do see that you are valuing yourself the way you are, and you are just embracing every part of your being for sure, and loving yourself the way you are. Dance, move your body to music, dance with the rhythm of life, manifest your dreams through dance. It's time for you to enjoy your life, and that's exactly what you would be doing, because now you're confident, and you can have and do whatever you want to do. You are that powerful. You know that you are the goddess. You know that you are the divine powerful being. So yeah, let's see. Forgiving and learning, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. For some of you, you might be leaving the you might have to heal before you could pursue the connection that you are trying to pursue, because you really have to forget and forgive and learn from the past mistakes, and try to, if you are going to reconcile with a specific someone, before you do that, I do see that you have to basically take the mask off. Mask of being fearful, mask of not available to commit, mask of I'm not interested in love and relationships, not because you didn't want it. Maybe you had some healings to do before you could do that, and I feel like that healing is not happening, and that's why you are pursuing the love life as well. Stay optimistic about your love life, stay positive, as positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. So you are going to be staying very positive about your love life now. It can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with right now. Maybe they are trying to forget and forgive and just heal from the past experience that they had with you, and maybe that's the time when you are going to make a comeback in their life, or they are going to make a comeback in your life. If you are the one who needs to heal, it's time to work towards that as well. Let's see the color card. Let's see which color is going to be lucky for you. Lilac, strengthen your faith, number 42. So this shade of purple is going to be lucky for you. Try to strengthen your faith, and don't let your fears creep back into your mind ever again. Try to stay as much positive as you could by healing yourself. Tangerine, number 17. Be spontaneous and have fun. Try to have fun with your life. Wear the bright colors that you can to add more fun to your life. Let's see these two oracle cards here. I love you. These are powerful words. And I feel like, before you could say I love you to someone else, you really need to love yourself and heal yourself first, so you could be filled with so much love to give. If you are not feeling love for yourself, you cannot love another person for sure. So just heal yourself. And if you really want to reconcile with a specific someone, I would suggest you, before you reach out to that one person, try to send them heart to heart energy of love and care. Back to what you love, reevaluate your desires. For sure, I feel like you are reevaluating your desires. You wanted to achieve and have that success in work and career, you got it already, and now it's time for you to reevaluate your desire and work towards what you want. It's gonna be love this time. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this month of December. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. And yeah, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.